Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson, and welcome again to WDT Media TV. And again, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And you can click on the notification bell to be notified when we do a new update or upload. We're back here at Spanish Town Road, looking at the pipeline work now taking place. And as you can see, traffic heading along Spanish Town Road is bumper to bumper on long lines, heading from down Spanish Town Road going into Spanish Town and communities of Spanish Town Road. As you can see, it's long lines along Spanish Town Road. And as the work continues here, there are traffic slope right here. As the work continues, the project continues here. Moving some material, and that causes traffic slope here along Spanish Town Road, as you can see there. So the pipeline work continues here on Spanish Town Road, 150mm pipes. The work continues. And the work continues here along Spanish Town Road. It will continue along here. You see the red marking, the red dot is there. They're running more pipeline along this part of the roadway, just across from the Agro Exports Center along Spanish Town Road. You can see these red markings. I think the main pipeline work will be taking place here very shortly. The joggers are here in the evening. Down Spanish Town Road. You can see it in the joggers. And the work will continue here along Spanish Town Road. And again, traffic flow. Here along Spanish Town, you can see here along Spanish Town Road. Look at this vehicle squeezing through. We are back here in Majestic Gardens, and we are happy to report that work has resumed on the construction of the stalls here along the DC Tavares Market. So the work has resumed. It was stopped for a while. And the work has now resumed. On the construction of these stalls here at the DC Tavares Market. Here we are at the back of the stalls. Here at the market, more popularly called 3 Miles Market, but it's the DC Tavares Market, but then after the former MP, DC Tavares, back in the 1970s. And this here is stall number 2. More work is done on this one than the others. The front is still open on the other stalls. Unlike this one here. inside here. By the DC Tavares Market here in 3 miles, or more Spanish Town Road. The 6 stalls. Some of the nice housing solutions here in Majestic Gardens in the heart of the inner city. And the units here, the small units you're seeing here, are similar to those that will be constructed at White Wing. These smaller units. And these are the bigger units that are currently here at Majestic Gardens. We are back here at White Wing, where some work is taking place to level off parts of the property. You can see here. Here at White Wing. See the work continues here. Channel for the stormwater to run off the property. This will be at the sidewalk level. This section will be at the sidewalk level. So see the steel work has been done to facilitate the brick lane aspect of the construction. As you can see, stormwater will run through this channel on the property and run into the drain and then go into the gully, into Drew Gully, as we showed you yesterday. And this will be at the road surface. Here at the residence of Black Beauty, and we can only ask her one very question that's so pertinent as to how soon will she be relocated to Bellrock, because now she's the only resident living at White Wing, and all we can ask her, how soon will she be relocated to Bellrock, the community across from White Wing. You knock on her door. It's apparently she's not in. Apparently that beauty is not in at the moment. First slippers at the doorway. Try again. Black Beauty. Black Beauty. Oh, she's not in. Just hoping she's looking about to relocate to Bellrock. The sewer pipes, they were laid earlier today. The sewer and water pipes. At White Wing. And very soon, all the rubble will have to be removed from the area to facilitate the leveling off of the property. And also to expand the stormwater drain, the stormwater track that runs in the middle of the property. You can see here. is in the middle of the property. I'm Dudley Thompson at White Wing for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. And again, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks in advance, and thanks for watching.